Ignite the engines of the mighty B-52 bomber. U.S. Air Force crew from the 5th Bomb Wing begins by meticulously checking all ground systems. The heart of this aerial giant lies in its 8 Pratt & Whitney TF33P3103 turbofan engines, each providing a thrust of 17,000 pounds, bringing the bomber to life with a symphony of power. The hose connected to the engine during startup plays a crucial role. It delivers high-pressure air from the Auxiliary Power Unit, APU, to start the engine turbines, essential for initiating the engine rotation that precedes ignition. This process ensures that the engines can achieve the correct operational speed to begin generating thrust, effectively powering up the B-52 for its mission.